अब हम बात करते हैं लिविंग रूम के बारे में. The living room is of the kitchen is of 9.8 square feet and this 11 by 14.1 master bedroom is surely a luxury. Hello everybody and welcome back to Housey. I am Ekta Kapoor and in today's video we will be doing the sample flat tour of K Central, which is developed by Kohinoor Group and is located at Hinjewadi Phase 2. And before I tell you anything more about the project, let me tell you something about Housey. Housey is India's first ever online platform which connects buyers directly to the developer. Unlike other online listing platforms where your number is shared with multiple other brokers and you get multiple calls, at Housey we connect you directly with the developer, thereby promising you the best pricing and also the complete information that you need about each and every project. At Housey, we make sure that your home buying process is completely simplified. So book your dream home through Housey today. Let's now take a look at the overview of the project with the help of this 3D model. The project is being constructed on a total land parcel of 13.5 acres with 10 towers with G plus 24 floors having 2 BHKs, 3 BHKs and 3 BHK premium duplex residences. As you can see, I am standing right outside the sales office at the actual location of the project. Well, when I'm telling you about the actual location of the project is located in Hinjewadi Phase 2 on the High Mount Road. From here, the Hinjewadi Kasarsai Road is just about 950 meters and Educon International School is just about 250 meters. As you can see, this is the main road that connects to the project and the project is located in a very good connectivity area. And now let's take a look at the amenities of the project. As you can see that there is going to be a parking building over which there are going to be the amenities like the swimming pool and the play area. The rest of the amenities would be on the ground floor and there are going to be multiple other amenities like the amphitheater, gymnasium and many more. The 1087 square feet 3 BHK comes with something special for every family member. But let me first of all tell you about the security. There is a video door phone that you get over here along with the digital door lock which can be operated with a fingerprint, a digital key and a master key. Now the best part about this house is something I need to tell you before we enter the house and that is the privacy. Enter करते ही ये दीवार है ना कि आपका लिविंग रूम ताकि कोई भी बाहर से आपके लिविंग रूम को एक्सेस ना कर पाए. दरवाजे के पीछे there is also a lobby. Come inside, let me show it to you. Now the area of this lobby is of approximately 4.3 by 5.4 square feet which can be utilized for a table like this or even for your shoe racks. As I told you, this house has something special for everybody. This space over here, this additional space over here can be used for a puja room or can be used from a work from home station as well because this is like an isolated place. It comes with a socket wherein आप आपका laptop लगा सकते हैं या अगर आप मंदिर लगा रहे हैं तो मंदिर की lighting भी यहीं पर लग सकती है. अब हम बात करते हैं लिविंग रूम के बारे में. The living room is of approximately 17.3 by 11 square feet excluding your dining area. That's really big, right? And it comes with a balcony. The balcony is exclusive to the living room and it is of approximately 11 by 5 square feet. The balcony is covered from the top and it comes with vitrified tiles on the floor which are anti-skid. Now this house is a butterfly shaped house. What does that? Well, one room is on one side, the guest bedroom, and the other rooms on the other side. And here we have the living room and the kitchen. So this butterfly concept house, I'm wondering, should I show you the kitchen first or the guest bedroom? Let's go to the kitchen first. Pehle pet puja fir kaam dooja. Come follow me. Let me take you to the kitchen via the dining area. The kitchen is divided in two parts. The kitchen is of 9.8 square feet and the dry balcony is of 3.7 by 8 square feet. The kitchen comes with this granite stand right over here and your enclosed dry balcony. And the enclosed dry balcony also has a window for perfect ventilation and water outlets for your washing machines. Now that you've seen the kitchen and the dining, पेट पूजा हो गई है तो पहले guests का ख्याल रखते हैं and then we'll check out your rooms. Come, let's take a look at the guest's bedroom or the parents' bedroom as they call it in fact, because it also has an attached washroom. Now this is your guest or parents' bedroom and everything has been taken care of. just like the space. This is a very spacious, and this window has a pretty big iron railing also for safety, and it comes with a mosquito net. Now the height and the size of the window makes sure that the room is well lit and well ventilated as well. As I told you, this room comes with an attached washroom. Here is your attached washroom that comes with standard CP sanitary fittings and wall-to-wall vitrified tiles as well. Through the passage, now let me take you into the rest of the house. And beginning with the common toilet and wash, which is right over here, or they also call it as the powder room. Now the dimensions of this one are 7.9 by 4.6. It comes with CP sanitary fittings and wall-to-wall vitrified tiles. This is your kids' bedroom, which comes with an niche area over here, which is of approximately 4.8 by 1.6 square feet. This can be utilized either for a wardrobe, although there is a lot of space for the wardrobe and for the bed here, but in case you can use this for a wardrobe or for a study table, just like it is placed over here. This is also a very well ventilated room, as you can see, and very well lit too. Now the windows of this house are pretty tall, because of which what happens is that there is no obstruction to the light and to the wind as well, and the grille provides security. This window also comes with a pre-fitted mosquito net. And now we're going to move into the master bedroom. But before that, let me tell you that when you are watching this sample flat video, do you also know that Housey provides you with location tour videos, with project overview videos, and also with 360-degree tours. We also tell you the pros and cons of every project before you buy it, because we care about your home buying process, and all of this under one roof, and that is Housey. So what are you waiting for? Quickly book your site visit and I'll see you at the project. Until then, let me show you the master bedroom. This 11 by 14.1 master bedroom is surely a luxury. As you can see, it is pretty spacious, has extra space for your cupboards, your wardrobes, and yet we have a king size bed fit over here. It comes with a beautiful balcony, which is almost similar to your living room balcony. This one is of 11 by 4.4 square feet, and again it comes with anti-skid tiles in the flooring and is a covered balcony. It also comes with this iron railing for safety and security. Now, because this is the master bedroom, it had to have an attached toilet and wash, right? Let's take a look at this one as well. The attached toilet and washroom of the master bedroom is of approximately 8.9 by 4.6 square feet, comes with standard CP sanitary fittings and with vitrified tiles on the wall. So everyone, this was the sample flat tour of the project Kohinoor Central, developed by Kohinoor Group and located at Hinjewadi Phase 2. Do not forget to like, comment and share if you have liked this flat, or if there is anybody that you know is looking out for a new property. Until then, stay tuned to Housey.
If you have any queries related to pricing, plans, offers, booking process, or want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such project sample flat tour videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.